So I've never done a drunk kitchen before. I love hardo. My hardo, your hardo, everyone's hardo. So this is kind of like a tribute to you. Also, I wanted an excuse to get drunk, and I thought, why not cooking? Because I'm hungry as well. I'm not real fancy. Twist off. Mia more strawberry wine. Gonna get drunk, check. This is delightful. I should make meatballs. Okay. The best meatballs ever. Meatball nirvana. Check. For all of you who don't know, you can defrost your beef by putting it in hot water instead of being patient and letting it defrost by itself. Ah! This is why society is so limited by convenience, because anything that we cannot do immediately, we either procrastinate and don't do, or we find other people to do. Other people to do. Oh, it's so cold! Oh. That's when you know you found the perfect temperature, if it makes you go, oh. Kosher salt is like sea salt, right? I don't know why I'm asking you. It's not like it's an interactive video. But wouldn't that be awesome? I'm getting a little creative. This is just a sidebar. Louisiana hot sauce or barbecue or hot wing sauce or anything like that. This is a combination of all. It is a garlic chicken wing sauce, as I read that off the label. It's so good. Hiccups. No, I don't put on hiccups. But I have them. It sounds funny because it vibrates in my ears in the cup. You want to make sure your oven's nice and toasty so that it's a perfect mating ground for your meatballs. Roasty toasty. Actually, it says 400 degrees. I mean, bang, boom. Everybody loves somebody special. Woo! So once you have all your lovely ingredients right there, ready, you've already completed round 1 of this cooking drinking game. Fuck that. Maybe alcohol gives you this comedic identity. Doesn't make the glug glug anymore. Oh! I probably shouldn't put this near my computer because knowing me, I'll spill it all over. Ba-doo-doo. Boop, 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 ba-doo-doo. Senor Mustache has come out to play. Ho, 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 wee, wee. I found the bone. I got my beef in a bowl and I'm making it warm. Gotta defrost, defrost, defrost. I'm done. Drink? Yeah. Okay, the first thing, because we have to put all the dry ingredients in one anyways. Salt, onion powder, garlic salt, Italian seasoning, or I'm not gonna remember all that. Bam! I like garlic. Okay, so with Italian seasoning, I just put Mrs. Dash's hot and spicy and lemon pepper together because that just sounds amazing. Is really 1/4 of a teaspoon gonna make a difference? Because I don't think that it will. 1/4 a cup of grated Parmesan cheese and 1/2 a cup of breadcrumbs. Oh, okay, I probably shouldn't shake it. Split. Oh, that's okay. That's okay. It's all good. See, yeah. Drink more. We got the little flap. You're gonna want to use the big flap. Go for the gold, people. Go for the gold. That's good. This is the proper way to cut open your meat. Kill it once, twice, 3 times the meat killing. The alarming sensations of alcohol delight are filling my senses. You know me so well. Or Worcestershire. There's so many ways to pronounce it, and I'm just... Worcestershire! You gotta beat it out of your hand. Beat it. Beat it out. Get it. Because you gotta beat the meat out of your hand. I think that's my first really punny line, like, that just came to my head. Hello, drunk. How are you? This is my mixing technique. Alright. Mix. Better taste good. Shit. Pretty! Yay! Generic pan. Stuff. That looks right. Right. That one's tiny. I got a tiny piece of meat. Now you're gonna put your lovely balls in the oven at 400 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes, varying on the density of your meat. Oh, fiery inferno of heat death! Why must you torture me? Then you're gonna get your heat-resistant mittens of danger-free fire. I put my meatballs in my homemade sauce. The noodles that I cooked are gonna go in there. This is the finished product. It is spaghetti with Parmesan and meatballs that you made yourself, and this is you eating. That's actually pretty good. Stay tuned for more awesome episodes that may or may not include drinking. I love you, Hannah Hardho, and you're awesome, and I'm drunk and slurring my words, but you rock because you do this all the time.